Looking for some toxin-free energy? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth, and I'm going to be telling you all about our energy blend. Our energy blend is made up of pure essential oils. It's not diluted in any way. It's made up of eucalyptus, lemon, and peppermint essential oil. So not only does it help give you energy, but it also can help relieve congestion, and it can even help you recover after a workout. Peppermint and lemon are great for athletic recovery, so you can dilute it and use it on the skin to help with that. Otherwise, just use it for energy. You can use it in a roll-on, an aromatherapy inhaler to help give you the boost you need. My favorite way to use energy essential oil is to support my physical wellness. I like to diffuse it before a workout so that my body is ready to go so I can get the most out of my exercise. Energy essential oil is safe to use with individuals aged 10 and up. Make sure you dilute it on the skin. It does contain peppermint, which can be irritating but shouldn't cause any problems as long as you dilute it. Avoid diffusing this oil around cats. There are some oils in it that they won't like, and also be very cautious around using it with dogs too. If you use this oil, make sure you leave a door open so that your cat or dog can leave the space if they do not like this oil blend. Thanks for watching.